he is, young man, Sandeep Lamichhane, age 17, so he's 21 years younger than Shahid Afridi at the other end.
Well, it's a great story for him and Rashid Khan, but it's a 17-year-old involved in this fixture. Playing for the ICC World 11 against the reigning World T20 champions. Come on, youngsters, start well.
Good start. There's not a lot of top-level international cricket played by Nepal, but one thing the Asian countries do in particular is play their confidence. This young man
Got a bit of drift too from that first delivery. Shane Warne's watching, he'll be saying that's because he's got revs on it, which is a good sign, another good sign.
He was good in the IPL. He only got the last 3 games when Delhi Daredevils finally woke up. Realised that Glenn Maxwell probably wasn't the best option. Gave Lamichhane an opportunity. There's the wrong in.
Good start. 2 nice leggies, a wrong un. Interesting also that his leggies, we'll see the wrong un here, nicely pitched on a good line of leg. His leggies, the seam is more orthodox other than the scrambled nature of Rashid Khan.
Oh, he got that. Gee, that sounded good. That's over our head, isn't it?
Over the pond. It's hit something very hard behind us. I hope that's not too expensive, but that's the 3rd 6 for Marlon Samuels. Another wonderful strike down towards a pavilion end. I think he picked it. It's a sweet strike.
Just the plastic chairs, nothing to be worried about. Courage from the youngster though, floating it up.
I like that, Rashid Khan just going over and having a little word.
Fine. Tom Mills, go on son, go on lad. He got there, the big fella.
Yeah, but how many have they run? He bowls absolute thunderbolts, but you're not going to win the 100 metres. It was a good effort though. Rope burn in the back, not nice.
Eyes like a back row rugby forward, isn't he? Like a 7 or a 6. 12 runs from Lamichhane's first over. 113 for 3.
He looks disappointed, but in fairness, he landed it. He showed his variations. It was a good shot from Marlon Samuels to take him downtown for 6. Really has shuffled the pack. 7 bowlers used. Windies figures so far up to 6 useful.
Nasser, I think it's a good spot. Afridi's going to continue to bowl those slower leggies. Oh, advancing, he got the length, he was after Marlon Samuels. Dealing in 6s at the moment, that's his 4th. Has he caught it? I think he might have.
He's celebrating like he has. Slow leggy, and he just had to check himself there, Marlon Samuels. He did extremely well, because he could have got himself into a bit of a muddle and rushed things and tried to lose his shape and hack it across the line and must. Oh, yep.
That'll be wide. Surface though, and a bit of the slow nature of it. The new ball's key. 170, 175.
What a moment for the young man, Sandeep Lamichhane, 17 years of age. He's featured in the IPL. Now he gets to play at the home of cricket. Certainly not the circumstances he would have anticipated. And just a reminder, as he gets off the mark, that this is the last wicket for the rest of the World 11.
Happen at the tail end. Sandeep Lamichhane was keen on a look at Ashley Nurse. Brand new kit, isn't it? Look at it. New bat, new gloves. Oi!
I think that's runs. I think you got something on that.
Well, that's better. At least have a swing at it.
His last, he's picked up 2 wickets. New tricks in the net. Well bowled, slow ball and right in the block hole as well. Not able to get any room.
I've been impressed tonight with the crowd that have turned up. It hasn't been that good as far as the weather's concerned.